me. Welcome everybody to today's Daily Dimes. This is the second edition of Forex Daily Dimes. I don't think you heard me earlier, so you probably just had some audio or some video prior to that. But one of the things that we cover on this program is we cover weekly and daily Forex analysis. We're going to be trading within the dimes. Before we do that, obviously there's a disclosure for everything. There is risk in trading. Past performance is not indicative to future results. You can lose money trading the Forex market. I believe you all know that. Now let's just kind of build out some of these time frames and these charts that we're going to be talking about weekly and daily. We're going to be trading within the dimes. So when you talk about the dimes, you have $1.10 here, $1.20, you have $1.30 here, and there's going to be four, I guess we'll say four pieces between there. You have 250 pips in between there. So let's just build this out as we go through. So we're at $1.18 right now. So $1.20 is what we're shooting for as of right now. Let's go to $22.50. Let's just mark this in here. $22.50. So that's our hesitation zone. We're going to color that green, so in the future we know what we're going to be talking about on our hesitation zone. And we'll put the lower one as well at $1. Where are we at here? $17.50. So let's mark that in here. $17.50. And these are hesitation zones where the banks and institutions, we're going to call it, they're fighting for price. They're obviously going to that $1.20, but you have your sellers that want to push it back down to $1.10. You have your buyers that want to bring it back up to $1.20 and basically resetting itself. All right, so we're looking at the euro dollar to get up to $1.20. Now yesterday we talked about the dollar CAD running that short, and we had a really good run down today, down to $1.32. We're going to that. We're shooting for that $1.30 mark. All right, and that's which would be right about here. So we got a little ways to go. Let's build this out. $1.30. Let's put that red. So once it gets to that point, basically price is going to reset. The buyers and sellers, they're going to be fighting over a new target, whether it's going to go back down to $1.20 or it's going to go back up to $1.40. So it's that's yet to be determined. Let's put that red. So now we have our larger time frame area here. Now with these, we want to break these down into four. We'll call it four chunks of 250 pips, and we're going to trade that off a 4-hour time frame. So right now we should be short from the $34.25, which will be right here. Let's get the exact numbers on here so you guys know what we're talking about. $34.25, which is 75 pips from here. You got 75, 75, you got 250. Now we're shooting to bring this down to $1.25. 132.50. Let's get this exact number as well. All right, so we're getting close to a hesitation zone right now. We're going to be at $33.25 for that hesitation area. All right, so let's go 33.25, which would be 75 pips from there. We're going to color that green. So essentially, we got some buyers coming in here. We had some pretty good pressure, selling pressure, bringing it down, but we're we're looking to take this down to the $32.50. Once we get there, we're going to reset. We're going to keep our short bias based off our weekly time frame, because ultimately we want to bring it down to this $1.30 area. Now, one more pair we're going to look at today before we go, and we're going to get into the the New Zealand dollar. Let's build this out. So right now we got 70 cents, close enough for today. 60 cents, close enough for today. Put our hesitation area 62.50, 67.50. So there's 1,000 pips in between there. And you got 250 pips in these hesitation areas. So essentially, we had a close above this 62.50 area right here, and we want to be long, right? We want to be long on. So once we close there, we want to be long on our 4-hour charts. Bring that down to 4 hours. Build this out, and we'll continue to build these out as we go, daily and weekly, with the Forex Daily Dimes analysis. More to come on that with some special guests that have been trading the Forex market for a number of years. So 6,500 or 65 cents even. Sorry, 67.50. And as I build these out, next time I'll build these out so they're done for you. But I'm just going to build them out with you so you kind of know what we're talking about. So 67.50, 65 even. Sorry about that. 65 even. And then 66.25. Or sorry, 65.75 is where we want to be on that hesitation area, which is 75 pips from there. So once we had this close, right about there. Once we had this close right above here, we wanted to be long, so we would have gotten long on this this red candle right here, right? And we want to bring this up to 67.50. So we almost got there at one point. We had a slight retracement, but we still have this buying power coming in from this 65.75 area. Okay, so as we go daily here, we're going to build these out. I'll get some built out for you in the next session of Forex Daily Dimes. We're talking about trading the whole numbers on a large time frame, dropping that down from weekly down into 4-hour time frame. So until next time, hope your trades are green, and we'll be getting into more of Forex Daily Dimes with some special guests. Thanks a lot.